Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating variables. Check the cable and port first, because a wrong cable can add latency. Make sure the monitor is set to its native resolution and refresh rate in your GPU settings. This ensures timing matches. Once done, plug display directly into the GPU without adapters or long extenders to avoid signal buffering. You want to isolate the chain so you can measure improvements. This step shows how and why simple hardware choices affect delay immediately. Next, update drivers and firmware, because outdated code can add frame queuing. Updating often reduces input lag. Disable VSync in applications to prevent forced buffering, and instead enable FreeSync or G-Sync, which syncs frames without added delay. Set scaling to 1, and switch the monitor to game or fast mode to bypass post-processing that increases latency. Make sure to test with a simple motion test or aim trainer between changes so you can see. To finish, verify whether the monitor or PC is the culprit by swapping components. This isolates the problem quickly. If the GPU can drive higher FPS, raise frame rate, or enable low-latency GPU modes to reduce frame queuing. Try a factory reset on the monitor and replace the cable with a certified high-speed version if lag remains. If you still see delay, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a different source device. If delay disappears, the original GPU or software pipeline needs deeper profiling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.